Hi, it's Stephen here for Bland Designs, and what I'm going to do today is I'm going to do some free motion quilting. Well, I'm going to attempt it. It's my first try at this. So, as my first video in my new series on quilting, quilting by an idiot is what I'm going to call it. I'm going to show you my trials and tribulations of learning how to do these kind of things. Now, on my sewing machine, which is a Janome 6700P, I have attached the special free motion quilting foot with the open toe. And I have the standard plate in, but I've dropped the feed dogs. Now, I'm going to get out a pair of gloves. These are quilting gloves. They have sticky tips on the ends of the fingers, which allow you to grab your quilt and hang on to it a little bit better. Now the thing is, while I'm doing this, I have my foot pedal in. I'm going to go reasonably slow, so I'm adjusting my speed down. And I'm going to have to get used to how this works. So this is my first attempt. So what am I going to try first? I'm going to try a simple swirl. I'm going to start at the bottom here. And I think I've got this camera set up so you can see. I'm going to drop my foot. And okay, let's pull the thread up first from behind. Lower it. Raise it. Should there. Yep, there it is. You do that so you don't have a knot on the other side. And I'm just going to pull that through. Raise my foot again, put these underneath, drop the foot, try to get it in about the same spot. Drop the needle for now, and I'm just going to trim off some of these excess. Now I'm doing this on a little piece of material that I created to practice on. So it's like a quilt. It's got the layers, the battings in between, and I did it on white, and I'm doing it with black thread simply so I can see my stitches. So here goes nothing. Okay, I think I can go a little faster. Now I'm controlling this. Now I'm just echoing the design. That's what they call it when you follow the lines. I'm not being very straight. Just trying to get a feel for this. So my curves right now are not too flowing. Now, I should check my stitch length. My stitch length, it says, it's actually, I'm not sure what this one is, but I'm going to put it up to 5 and see if there's any difference there. Oops. It's definitely going to take a lot of practice, I can see, before I am ready to do this on a regular quilt. Oops. Got myself boxed in down here. going to stop that. Okay, very first time. Yeah, okay. Not that easy. Definitely takes practice. So, let's start on this other end. I'm going to do the same thing. Drop my needle down. And did I pick up? I don't think I picked up the stitch. I didn't, because I didn't hang on to this. Start right down here in the corner. There we go. Let's grab that. Oops, where am I going here? I find this very awkward. You're probably finding it very awkward watching me do this, especially those of you that know how to do this. Now, just trying to get back down here where I was before. Without the feed dogs, things slide around. Trim some of that off. Okay, I'm going to slow it down just a bit. Find a little slower speeds a little easier to control. I have no idea what that's supposed to be. But I'm just trying right now just to get the feel for how this works. Gotta remember not to take too sharp a bend when I'm going around. Oops, okay, I just crossed over on myself. I don't think you should do that. I can see how this can be a lot of fun though. Once you get the hang of it, which I haven't got the hang of it yet. It's going to take some time. But I'll just keep practicing. Playing with the speed. I think that's the trick. You got to get your hands coordinated with the speed of the machine. Let's go back down to the bottom here, and then I'll stop this and I'll show you what the second attempt is looking like. Okay, let's stop. And cut. Okay, so that's my second attempt right there. What's it look like on the back? Not bad. There's a few little loopy things here. I guess that's when when you divert off you get that. I guess that's normal. Of course, mind you, this would be on material that you're not going to see such a pronounced color change, like black on white. You're going to see everything. But I think I need a little bit more practice, and I do want to take a class in this as well. I'm hoping they offer a class in this come the next session, which starts in about the middle of May, I think. So definitely I'm going to sign up for a free motion quilting class, but in the meantime I'm just going to practice before I go ahead and start doing this on a actual quilt. So anyways, that's my little very first video in my series that I'm going to call Quilting by an Idiot. And I'm going to let you see all my mistakes and my trials and tribulations of all of this, in hopes that maybe you won't do the things that I'm doing. You'll do it right the first time. Anyways, see you later. Bye-bye.